Here. And in this video, I just wanted to show my results from the traffic that I bought from ClickSense. And as you can see, like 30 minutes ago, I got a new friend at Futurenet because I'm sending traffic to right here, and I got a new friend in that. I started this traffic. It lasts for 1 week. I started this traffic on Wednesday. $6. I paid $6, and it lasts for a week. And I got a sign up, and I've been getting. I think I've got 6 leads. It's not bad for 6 leads, and then get a sign up. So I just wanted to show my results from so far. And right now, like my money's limited, so I can't afford the tier 1 traffic. So I'm every week I'm taking $6 and I'm um buying a week worth of traffic, week worth of advertising from ClickSense. And as you can see, the traffic works. I got a new sign up, and if they decide to take action, I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep sending traffic and keep on bringing in new referrals. And I don't know it. I don't even know nothing about referrals, but as you can see, I'm getting sign-ups. So all you people that think that the internet marketing game is hard, it's really not. It's basically all about getting enough people to whatever you're selling. The more people you get to whatever you're selling, some people gonna join, some people not. The whole thing, this is all a numbers games. That's it. Just basically put people in front of your offer. Some people gonna join, some people not. And the ones that join, you help. The ones that don't worry about it. Just keep doing the same thing, buying traffic every week. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take $6 out of my paycheck every week and buy the Click Six traffic until I get to the point where I can buy some real decent traffic. But I'm not gonna. This traffic is pretty good because there's 7 million people on the site. So these people are looking for ways to make money online, and it's free to join Futurenet. So people, they get in there and take a look at it. I mean, if they don't uh, take action, that's on them. I'm gonna keep on sending traffic to my system, but like I'm using Mark Crosby's and Steve Dordell. That's their system that they created. But since I had a power lead system, I can use this funnel too. And in the beginning, this is all you need. Like when you first come online, you don't have no reputation like me. I don't have a reputation online, so that's why you want to use the copy and paste marketing system like this. And then you can show your results, and then people will start following you, and then they'll start joining you and start hitting you up trying to figure out how you're getting the results you're getting. And then that's how you build your following. You start out here using somebody else's success, and then you share it on your wall, and eventually people just know people are watching you. Even if they're not saying nothing to you, people watch you every day. So you just put the stuff on your wall, and eventually people start hitting you up. And that's basically it. I just wanted to show them my results so far. And like and share this video. comment below, leave your comments, good or bad, whatever. And I'll see you on the next video, and subscribe to my channel.